Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we have shown the Windows application text field. We have see, okay, how to drag and drop the text field and how to do the all things. Okay, how to make the properties and all. Right. So last class we have do the uh, button as well. Okay. So now what you're going to do is in this class, I'm going to teach about the button. So button, this is the button, okay, which will be the event. Okay, when you click the button, what's the what what going to do? The button will be do what action? If you want to add two numbers, first you have to input two numbers, press OK button, right? So whatever, so that the what is the input you are given, you have to get the answer when you press the button. What's the input you are given? According to the input, you have to get the answer, right? So first you have to understand the buttons. The button, you just click on the button. So here button, okay, this is the button property. This is the another one here. It is called as an event. Here the separate here. This is a called. If you click on this is a click event. Here this is a click event. If you want, you can change the name over here, right? So here we can change it. Okay, click, press enter key. It has been changed as okay click. Okay, so now here is it has been okay, right? So if you double click on this, it will be go to this event. So here if you double click on the button, here you have to tell them when you click the button what need to be, okay, what you do. Okay, if you click on the button, what the action have to make, okay, what is the action it has to do. Okay, so I want to do the action which is a displays a message box which is I. So you have to type message box dot show. Here you have to press hi. Okay, so hi. This is a text here. Another one is a dialog result here message box. Okay, there is this I here. You have to write. Press here. You have to write. Here you can see there is another caption. You have to enable the caption also. This one should be the dialog message. Type message comma match here. You can this is the text, this is the caption, this is the message box buttons. So you have to get a message box, you have to plug okay, you have to write okay comma message box dot, sorry, message box, you can see here the message box. Okay, yes, here there's some icon. You have to type it here, this icon, you have to write information. Okay, so you can see over here, so here you can see this is a message box. So okay, message box icon, you can see when you run the form and check it what would be there. Okay, first you have to read. So you can see here when you click this one here, message box will be high, will be display along with the icon which is you are given the information. This is the title. Okay, so here this is the message I need to be displayed. This is the title, this is the OK button, this is the icon. Okay, if you click the button here, you can see everything will be there. Click button OK. This is the hi message, this is the information icon, this is the message title, this is the hi. Okay, this is the OK button. Here it's OK, but if you click OK, okay, these are all things are there, right? So now here only this icon if you available. No, if you have a error, you have a error icon. When you click the button, I need to display the error message. Here if you click on this, here this error message here, error icon would show. Here you have to write error. Now click on this button, error display. Okay, right? So if you have the information, there's a lot of symbols are there. Information. Here this one warning. So if it's this one asterisk, let's check what happened. it is all the same symbol. So if you want to put it as this one should be the information warning. You can see the warning what happened. That's a warning message, warning icon. The Windows warning icon here. These are all things we have to put as a message box, right? This simple purpose. Okay, these are the things we have to work. So now what you're going to do is, I want to, this is a text field. Okay, this is a text field. Okay, this text field, select right click, properties, what's the name, txt address. So now I am in the text event. Okay, the event. So you have to click this property. This is a property window, this event. So I want to, the property, it's a text address. This is the name of the text box. So when you type something in the text box, okay, if you type something in the text box, okay, after that, after type this one, click OK button. The what's the text you are type on the text, particular text box, I want to display as a message. Okay, when you click the button. So how to do the things? So what you're going to do is now, it's a OK button. So it's a code. Okay, so what you're going to do is, you have to type, first you have to create the variable. So variable, so here we have to write. So no need to create the variable, anything you don't need to write. So here what you are going to, this is message box, I am going to remove it. So here write it here, text box address. So what the name I have given, a txt address. It's a name. You have to type txt address. You have type txt address dot text. There is a property called text equal. You have type hi C#. Hi C#. Right? This is a message. When you click this button, OK button, I want to display the text on the text box hi C# when you click the button. Okay, understand? When you click the button, I want to display the text as hi C# on the text box. Okay, so you can see over here now. Okay, now here carefully you have to watch it. Click OK button here. Hi C# has been displayed. Hi C# has been displayed. Right? Right. Now what you're going to do is, this is the button we have clicked. I want to display the text as I C#. So I want to get another button. So that's the same button. I want to just Control C to copy, Control V to paste, and get it again. Right? So here this button, what you're going to do is, I want to change the text property as clear. Okay, press enter key, text has been changed. Right? So here I am going to double click on it. So here I am going to, when you click this button, I want to clear the text. So how to clear the text? You type txt, this address. Okay, this name, this text box, what is the text display? I want to clear up the text. So first you have to write the name of the text box dot text. There is a property equal double quotation mark, blank double quotation mark. Now you can see what happened. First you have to press the button, hi C# is displayed. If you click clear, it is clear up. Right? Simple. So this is the one thing you can do it. So another one, simple, you have to write clear. There is a property called clear. That's a property called clear. That's it. You can execute the program. Click OK. Test has been displayed OK. If you click clear, it has been clear. Perfect. Right? After that, I need another button. The same button, just Control C, copy, Control V, paste here. This one I am going to name it as, select this one. You have to name it as this button, exit. Press enter key. Okay. So this button, double click on this. Here you have to write it. Text, we have to exit that. I want to exit the program. When you click the exit button, so double click on the exit button, you have to type it over here. This is all the things are called as an application. Okay. So this all the C sharp programs are called as application. So you have typed there is a keyword called application dot exit. Keep in your mind. Okay, when you start the program, click exit here. All the program, the form has been exit. The programming has been exit. Okay, this close. Right? This is how we have to do it. This is the purpose of the button. Okay, this is all things. This is the purpose of the button. I have put it three buttons. The three buttons are doing the various action. One is done the when you click the OK button, the text has been displayed. When you click clear button, text has been cleared. When you click exit button, the programming has been quit. Okay, right. This is how we have make the use of these buttons. Right. I hope you guys you understood so far. In my next video tutorial, we have discussed about another things. Thank you for watching.